Are you into films or at least little movies for yourself or friends? Do you want movie credits to your productions but want to keep the budget low? Well, in this video, we will look at how you can make movie credits in Windows. For a more in-depth look at the topic, be sure to check out the article in the description. It's pretty simple. Launch the Video Editor app. Import one or more videos. Drop. And then add a title card. You can add movie credits using the text feature. You can change the style, the layout, you can edit the duration, how long you want the title card to go. You can move the titles around. Once you're done, click on Finish Video, Recommended Video Quality, click on Export, give it a name, and you can preview it. You can use this video credits as often as you want. All you need to do is import it to future video projects and move it to either the beginning or the end. For more helpful articles to help you maximize your Windows experience, go to our website, thewindowsclub.com. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, where we are always adding new content aimed at making you the master of your digital house. Thanks for watching and have a great day.